Casey Gray here from The Conscious Builder, and before we get into today's video, I just want to let you know that we are hiring. So if you are in Ottawa and you are looking for a job in the construction industry and you want to join an amazing team and you're motivated and you want to make an impact in this industry, we may be the team for you. Head to theconsciousbuilder.com and go to the Contact Us tab at the top and then Career Inquiries, and you will see exactly who we're looking for. All right, on today's video, I am answering a question from Corey Mackay, and he says, do you use a particular software program for doing contracts and or budget reports? And the answer is yes and no. Obviously, we're using software, but we kind of use a combination of Buildertrend. So Buildertrend is our main platform that we use for really everything in the business when it comes to people clocking in or managing leads or doing proposals or the schedule or to-dos or daily logs or any of those things. It's like Buildertrend is fantastic for all that stuff. Now, our budget reports, although we can pull things from Buildertrend, we typically do them in just a spreadsheet software. So we use Google Sheets. We put everything onto Google Drive so that anybody in our team can access them, but it's a combination of pulling things from Buildertrend, which is also coming from QuickBooks, and then putting that into a spreadsheet so that we can edit it and make it look good to ultimately send over to our clients to review. So on the contract side, that is actually done through Google Drive. It's not done through the software. We actually have templates for our contracts on Google Drive, and then we just edit them and have our clients sign those, whether it's digitally or just via in person, which doesn't really happen these days. So really it's between Google Drive and Buildertrend. So hope this answers your question, Corey, and thanks for the question. Glad you tuned in here to another episode of The Conscious Builder Show. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and you will get notifications for all of our exciting projects, including our first official YouTube series, The 3-Day Cottage.